Let's make my dad's teriyaki bowl recipe. So the first thing he is going to do is place the chicken thighs into a bowl to start marinating. He is going to pour this sweet teriyaki sauce and layer it with chicken and repeat the process. I'll leave the link to this sauce in the description. Mixing everything in the bag will be easier to marinate the chicken, and we will leave it in the refrigerator overnight. Here we are the next day, ready to complete this bowl. Let's begin by slicing bell peppers and zucchinis in half. We will give the cabbage a quick wash and slice it into pieces to sprinkle lemon pepper and olive oil. And wrap it into aluminum foil. Now that the chicken is well marinated, it's time to take it to the grill. To make the chicken be juicy, let's add some of this teriyaki glaze. I'll also leave the link to this sauce in the description. Now let's grill the veggies. Let's begin to prepare our bowl by chopping the chicken and veggies. Let's get our plate with rice and add these delicious grilled chicken and veggies. Here are some sauces and chilies we will use. We also added some grilled shrimps. Comment below if you like the recipe for these shrimps. Now let's enjoy this grilled teriyaki bowl. Subscribe, like, and comment for more yummy homemade recipes.